So we recommend to stain your planter sort of every year really, just to keep it looking fresh and looking its best. The best time of year to do it is probably sort of spring, summer, so the temperature's a little bit up and the dampness you'll get through the winter on the planter will have dried. So you can go ahead when it's nice and dry, clean it all off and get to work. So what you want is your stain. So this is Little Fairs Ironstone Grey. We do 5 colours, but it's available in multiple colours on the Little Fairs website. Something for your stain to be in. You want a brush to knock off any residue, a brush for actually applying the stain, and then like a little sanding block as well, just to prep. So first step, you want to just go around your planter, brush off any dirt, any grime that's sort of come through the winter, get it nice and clean. So look around your planter, any signs of wear and tear. Obviously if there is grime on it, just give it a light sand. You want about 120 grit on a sanding block. Always go in the direction of the grain, as opposed to going this way, which will just scratch the wood. Always follow the grain going lengthways. So light sand just to take that little top coat off. If you've not done it for a few years and the condition is a little bit worse, then we'd really advise just to give it a sand all over, just to clear off any grime, residue that's built up over the years. Obviously if it's only been a year, just a light sand in the areas that really require it is absolutely fine. Next step, just brush off any excess dust that's gathered from the sanding. Just so you've got a nice clean surface area to start. And then we can get straight onto the staining. So what you want to do, pick up your bowl, really good shake for probably 30 seconds. Just make sure all that pigment in the bottom is blended into the stain, because that's your colour. You want it to be nice and dark. I will shake it more then, because you actually do need to shake it really well. And to pour your mixed stain into a container. So some important tips with the staining: don't put too much on the brush, because what we don't want is drips. So if it drips down the planter as we're staining, it can sometimes stain, so you'll have that line running down. Just keep it light on the brush, and all you want to do is go again direction of the grain as per the sanding. Just gently brush up, keeping it light, not too heavy. Really simple. The stuff from Little Fairs dries really quickly, so it'll probably be touch dry in about 20 minutes. But obviously leave it to cure, ideally for sort of an hour, 2 hours, depending on the temperature. So that's that, all finished. It's literally, you know, a 10-15 minute job that will keep your planter looking really fresh, you know, new layer of protection, give you a lot more longevity, and make it look great.